So for today, okay, my presentations will be on Freestyle, creating surface with Creo. And Freestyle is actually for conceptual design. So today, for this tutorial, right, you will learn how to automatically create the curvatures and continuous manufacturing surfaces using Freestyle. Okay, so let me jump into the application Creo. So yeah. So I'm using Creo 10 for this demonstration. Okay, so as we know that for conceptual designs, okay, to fix this is actually a shaver. So I would like to join this two surfaces together and also to use the freestyle technique. So most of the customers, all right, who have seen the command before, freestyle, but the only thing is that nobody has really seen how is this usable in conceptual design. So let me show you before that to click on the command. I would like to bring in an image, all right? Okay, so let me import the image of the front view of this shaver. Okay, so I have done one here, the shaver picture. Okay, so okay, this one is a little bit oversized. Okay, so when you import the image here, there's some capability that can do in Creo parametric. Let me just do some rotation. Okay, now looks better. Okay, you can use the Windows to actually the window browser here to actually turn this scaling, all right? Or you may want to, example, you may want to do some scaling between the dimensions of this and this. So let me just do a quick measurements of the original 3D model. Let me just base somewhere around here and do here. Okay, so it's like 139.05. So if I use the measurement and I place it to here, okay, and you can change the dimension, 0.05. Yeah. So if right now you want to do some adjustment by fitting this to the 3D model, so okay, well, it fits nicely. Okay, so this is the first step that I'd like to show you if you have image to do your conceptual design. So without delay, I would like to use the freestyle technique right now to fill up this gap here. For freestyle, if you look at the ribbon here, you have this shape here, and there's open primitive and closed primitive. I would like to use, let me see, sphere, cylinder, tonus, and also cube, right? I would like to use the sphere for this demonstration. So it looks like the ball shape. Okay, so if I want to do some movement, like for example, transform to somewhere around here, you can use the dragger. So it's just like a push and pull technique. So for the next one, probably I would like to use the scale to see if I scale it down, right? So it look like this. If I look at the front view, okay, somewhere like this. So you can do some minor adjustment. Okay, for this model here, probably I will start off to remove some of the material here. So if I remove, it will look like this. Okay, and right now, probably I would like to, okay, I look at this model, it looks like I can do it a symmetrical way. So let me just select a command here. Okay, use the mirror tool. And okay, so right now I'm done with the symmetrical. And I would like to do the first surface over here. And I would like to try to match this surface to this curve here. So let me look at the capabilities of freestyle. Okay, let me use align. Okay, and let me try align with this. Wow. Okay, so it allows me to match here. Okay, but as you can see, there's some misaligned here, but it's okay. Later we can use some of the techniques to further enhance it. Okay, let's look at the back here. Can I do the same for this? Just let me see. Well, let me see. There's some error here. Okay, just let me transform it back. Okay, the freestyle here. Can I align? Okay, so let me go back to here again. Make sure there's this way. Okay, so something like that. And then if I look at the panels over here, okay, I would like to do some changes. Okay, so from here, I would like to do some splitting of the edge. Okay, so this is for me to adjust, all right, to match the points over here. So you can see that if I'm adjusting this, right, I'm trying to adjust it somewhere around here. Okay, so and if you like to manipulate, like for example, this surface here, if I look at my top view, okay, and my front view, right? So I would like to do this curve here, but if I click here and I start to use the transformation, I may not able to move in different sections. So probably I can use this method to do another edge split. Okay, so if I do this, yeah. So one is for the horizontal and the other one is for the vertical. So for this case right now, you can see that I split into different sections. And if I select around this area here, I can actually manipulate the surface like this. Okay, somewhere around here, I leave this gap for later. Okay, so somewhere around here and here. So if I look at the bottom area, okay, I can actually adjust it. Okay, but if I adjust this, okay, so this part, all right, you may have some dragging issues because you only can manipulate here, but later let me fix it. And this area here, okay, and also here. Okay, so if you want to further enhance this area here, you can actually do a click onto this panelize, and then probably I can just adjust this way somewhere to the back here, and right now you can further enhance here. Right, so cases like this, you can just push and pull to get the profiles that you want to manipulate. Okay, so if you think that right now this one should be okay. Okay, so if you want to further enhance it, you can actually click some points, can adjust the curve over here as well. Okay, so let me look at the top view. Okay, I think I forgot to mirror it, right? So doesn't matter. Let me see, can I go back to here? Okay, can I do a mirror onto the right plane? Or if you do a mirror here, okay, so what happened here is that there will be a gap. So before this enhancement, right, of the pool, you can actually do it. That means you're supposed to mirror it first. So probably here you can do some adjustments. So that's to turn it back. So when you're doing this, just to make sure that you are able to set the condition correct first, and then before you do the adjustment. So let me come back to here and do the alignment. Oh, so when I do this, probably there's some error here. Let me see, can I fix this? Yeah, this is okay, but if I go to this area here, it seems like I can't align. Yeah, okay, but without the mirror. Okay, so the mirror right now, I try to fix it, the right plane. So let me choose back the. If I mirror this to the right plane. Okay, probably the gap later can use other tools to fix the top. Okay, somewhere around here. So back to the constructive of the sides wall. Okay, and also if I choose at this edge here, let me just get some split. Okay, so this part just quickly adjust. Okay, so from the top here, just adjust this one. Okay, and select back to somewhere here. Okay, so something like that. And if I go to the top area here, okay, so for this two part here, I can actually add some split faces. Okay, so if you look at the split surfaces over here, if I want to drag somewhere to here, okay, so I'll just select one piece. Okay, and if you want to manipulate further onto this top here, you can use the crease command. Okay, so if I look at here, right, I want to adjust this slightly to touch here. So let me see if I can do this. Okay, you can use this menu here, or you can use soft and drag this. Okay, and for the back, you also can use the condition, let's say the hard mode. Okay, so the hard mode, and this is soft mode. Okay, as for the back area here, you can actually see whether do you want to further enhance it by moving the surface. Yeah, but you can't really close it. Okay, so something like that. Okay, if I look at the top view, I would also like to do some handle adjustment here. So you can see that this this area here, maybe if you are using your hand to grip at this area here, I would like to add on onto there's the mesh. Okay, let me see, can I change the resolution? Okay, this is level 1, 2, probably go for the center one. Okay, and to ease of selection, right, I want to select probably this area. This one here. Okay, and to here. So you can do this by dragging this. So this is for the grip. And back to the front. Can select somewhere here. Okay. And okay, so you can see that right now there is a waveform, something like that, and probably at the back, just to further enhance it. Let me choose around this area here. Okay, and I can do this to, yeah. So anything that if you want to do some modifications, you can actually use the push and pull technique for the conceptual design. So if I do a OK right now, let me turn off the view. Okay, So if it comes out, it will look something like that. Okay, for conceptual design. And then this is the technique that you can use to do for this your product design. Okay, so for example, this type of gap itself, if you think that if you want to further enhance it, we can actually go to the product modeling and we can have some tools to fix this area. Okay, but that's the next topic. But if you have this tools here, you can actually fix the area here. Okay, so you can actually add on some area here to fix it. Okay, so depending on how complex your surface is, so if there's some tools for you, you can actually use this to fix the area. Let me see, can I grab hold of the surface area here? Okay, so if you really want to match with that broken surfaces, you can use things like style, but style is not today's tutorial, but just to share with you, if I want to really patch up the surface, the broken surface, I can use this method. Okay, I think that's all for today. Hope you like this freestyle tutorial. Okay, so just to show you that it's actually part of this part modeling, right? So for Creo right now, if you want to use freestyle, everyone can try to use this, and it's free. Okay, so I think that's all for today.